Today, we're installing the P2S air filtration kit for a cleaner and better 3D printing experience. Inside the package, you've got your P4DR filter cartridge, a 24-volt exhaust fan, a remote controller with an IR receiver, and all the necessary cables and hardware. Let's build this step by step. Step 1. Assembling the fan module. Grab your exhaust fan, one O-ring, 3 M4 by 40 millimeter screws, and 3 M4 hex nuts. First, place the O-ring into its designated groove. Route the fan cable through the opening in the printed housing. Then seat the fan inside. Drop the 3 M4 nuts into the rear slots and lock it all down with the 3 M4 by 40 screws. Step 2. Assembling the filter module. You'll need the filter cartridge, the second O-ring, 4 M4 by 16 millimeter screws, 2 M4 by 14 millimeter screws, and 6 M4 nuts. Insert 4 nuts into the designated slots. Fit the O-ring into the sealing groove and tighten the 4 M4 by 16 screws. Next, pop the remaining 2 nuts into the lower frame and secure them with the 2 M4 by 14 screws. Finally, slide the activated carbon filter cartridge straight into the housing. Step 3. Assembling the printed frame. Take your printed frame components, align the sections, and slide each piece into its corresponding slot. Press firmly to ensure all joints are fully seated.
Step 4 and 5. Power socket, receiver, and wiring. Grab the DC power socket and the IR receiver assembly. Install the socket into its opening, mount the receiver, and secure them both using 2 M3 by 12 millimeter screws. Now, let's wire it up. Connect the cables and make sure every single connector is fully inserted. Use the supplied cable ties to tidy up any loose wires, routing them neatly away from any moving parts. Step 6. Mounting and powering up. Mount your completed filter assembly securely onto your printer and hook up the remote control panel. For power, you have 2 great options here. Option 1, you can use the included adapter cable to pull power directly from your printer's power interface. Or, option 2, you can plug the external 24-volt DC power supply straight into the socket we just installed. Pick whichever setup works best for your workspace. And that is it. Your P2S air filtration kit is fully operational. Now you can enjoy a much cleaner, odor-free printing environment. Thanks for watching, and happy, healthy printing.